What's up, fellow traders? You nervous? Good. I like that. Because if you're holding short right now and you've been adding to your short positions, just like when we were long and adding to our longs, when we broke down to 7,500 all the way to 65, the same thing's happening right now, just on the opposite end. And I gotta tell you, with the surge today, the volume was pitiful. Definitely a fluff. I can't wait for some time to go by. I'm starting to get impatient, but I'm not gonna make any drastic moves. Impatient is, God, I just can't wait. Just like when we were down at the bottom, I said this, God, I can't wait just to see where we're gonna be in a month. And you know, we had a nice run. I gotta say, this 875 on the S&P, I can't believe that that was my target back in early March when we were heading down to the March 7th low. And you know, I got out a little early because, like I said, man, you can't always pick the exact top and you can't always pick the exact bottom. If you do, it was lucky. And I can't believe we're at this 875 on the S&P. Just, I mean, right here, you know. Today's volume was PD. The upper wick on the candlestick, I think they're setting this up. You know, the more we fluff up, the farther we fall, which is good. I liked how SRS and FAS pretty much didn't make new lows today with the big surge in the market. That's what we needed. Basically sucked it up today. Only took a little tumble. And my Bed Bath & Beyond is back under 30 where they need to be heading down. You know, I wish I did get some Dollar Tree above 45. But when you're not at the post in this kind of a market, you miss out on opportunity. So tomorrow's Thursday, Friday, maybe they're just setting up for the fall next week. You know, when May 4th rolls around, everybody's anticipating, you know, these stress test results. And that's what it's looking like to me. They're getting all they can out of it before they can't hide no more. You know, I don't know if you guys watch TV at all and check things out, but this reporter, Charlie Gasparino, I'm just throwing this in here because it's something I've noticed, man. They pulled him off the air at like the beginning of March, right near the bottom, and he was the one reporting all the super bad news on the banks, digging into everything, dissecting everything, basically saying everything was bumped. There's no way this can work. There's no way that can work. These guys got this. These guys got this. You know, he's been gone, you know, for 8 weeks. And my trading partner today, who was at the post, she said Gasparino came back on TV today from the phone. Good sign. They pulled him away for a reason, and they're bringing him back now because they've got their pump. I truly believe that everything's definitely rigged like that, and that's why we need to be ahead of the curve. And you know, looking at the chart today, I cannot believe today's volume was pretty much the same as yesterday. And we, you know, tried to pump up through that double nut I showed last night. So here we go. You know, this is it. We all know there's no way the market can go higher. It's not like the world's gonna end and the sun's gonna explode, but it's time to trend down here now. We're at the top of our trend, and it's time to reverse. Everything's showing that. even with the volume, it's like everything's pumping up just a little bit as I kind of scrolled through a few things, like Disney up fat today, but then closed down, 50% from their run today, from their high, stocks like that, Microsoft already had their run, see, from 18 up to 20, like 775 up to 20 already the past week. So see how they kind of stalled out today. So it seems like they're going around getting all they can out of what they can get, and then they're going to pull the rug out. Let's hope we can maximize our downside. Like I said, when we were at 78.80 last week, I said, here we go. We need to get down through 7777 now, but we could trend from here back up to 81, 8200, and that's what happened. So that's why right there you need to pick up some low risk long positions, and this time I'll be doing that at the 790 level on the S&P, like the 7500, 7600 on the Dow, basically both of them right at the 50-day. And I'm going to try to maximize my shorts. As far as my FAS and SRS, if we get a fat down day, I'm probably going to let it ride, because I'm looking for a couple consecutive down days now, because they keep bucking the trend on the down days, and it's fluff. The volume's too light, and the big players aren't playing the upside from here. I get anxious, giddy inside. I can't wait for a week or two to go by so we can see where we're at, 2 weeks into May. It's going to be interesting. Let's get a pullback tomorrow and a full pullback on Friday. Leave everybody with their what in their throat over the weekend if they're holding long, because Monday, come on. Good luck.